Blyve has an assortment of features to help you run an interactive Q&A session with your customers. Let's create an example scenario. Your name is Sean, and you'll be the moderator for an upcoming live event. You work for a company that just launched a new product, and you'd like to share the news with your customers who are eager to learn and ask questions. You've asked your coworker Sally, who designed their product, to join in and also answer some questions. Once you have your live event up and running, you can start by adding pictures of your new product, maybe a promotional YouTube video, and a few comments about why you're excited about the launch. Once Sally joins in, you can make her a trusted user, meaning all her comments will be auto-approved, and assign questions just to her. Let's take an example. Here's a question about your new product that you think Sally would be perfect to answer. Simply mouse over the question and assign it to her. When you do that, Sally receives an alert saying she has a pending comment. Sally can open up the comment, answer the question, and then return back to the event. As you can see, your customer's question is listed here along with Sally's informative reply. Using Blyve for Q&A sessions is a truly compelling experience for both you and your customers. They get great information without the noise of a typical chat session or Twitter party. Let's continue our example. Let's say there are a few questions that you think are great, but it's not quite the right time for Sally to answer them. Simply move your mouse over those comments, select More, and Save for later. When you do this, we'll save these comments or questions in a queue for you located here in our Comments module. When the time is right, you can reply to your question or assign them in bulk to Sally. Once again, this is another compelling example of Blyve's powerful feature set that works well with Q&A sessions. As a moderator, there are several additional ways you can enhance your Q&A experience. For example, if you're interested in gauging the opinion of your customers in real time about your new product, you can create a poll. Here, in the poll module, you enter a question, add up to 6 possible answers, and then you can post the poll live. As votes come streaming in, you'll see the graph update in real time to see if your new product has hit the mark. Next, if you have a specific question that you would like to ask Sally, you can switch to the Questions tab, select Assign, type in your question, and send it to her. Finally, you can leverage Twitter to find questions related to your new product launch, or even announce on your Twitter feed that you're taking questions. To see those questions, either search for your product as a keyword or even as a hashtag. When a great question pops up, you can reply to a tweet just as easy as you can to questions that come in via Blyve. Simply mouse over the tweet, select Reply, and enter your answer. If you'd like, you can also select the Twitter icon, which will send that user an @reply, notifying them that you've answered their question. What's great is now you can use Twitter not only as a means to take questions, but also as a recruitment mechanism to bring in new customers to your live event. One last feature before you go. Let's say Sally, your coworker, wasn't available, but you found a celebrity to endorse your product. Since your celebrity spokesperson doesn't know Blyve, you can go to the Event Settings tab and set up a temporary account for them. To do this, select Event Settings, click Invite Moderators and Trusted Users, select No to them having a Blyve account. Next, simply enter their email address, assign a temporary username, and finally upload your best picture of them. Within seconds, they'll receive an email from Blyve asking them to join your live event as a trusted user. If the event is hosted on your website, they'll be sent directly there to begin. At Blyve, we're doing our best to provide you with the tools you need to run real-time, real-life events. We hope you like what you see and encourage you to try your own Q&A session today.